Welcome to the Klipsch, Onkyo, and Integra room. I'm Marcus Buckler, Training Manager for Premium Audio Company.
Before we get started, if you're into tech, hi-fi, or movies, be sure to push the subscribe button for new weekly videos.
This year, we're featuring our new Integra Pro amps. What I love about this product is we have a lot of installers that love the functionality and simplicity of Integra AVRs, and now we bring in distributed audio amplifiers with all of the features that they've been looking for so long. We have 4 new features. We have wall plates, again, keeping it simple, great for commercial applications as well as residential. And then the big one is our new Courtyard system from Klipsch. So bringing that traditional Klipsch sound outdoor, and my favorite feature, it can be powered off zone 2. So a true Klipsch horn-loaded product with a subwoofer that you can bury, or you can put it as a hardscape, so a lot of different versions of this application.